Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, an altercation arose between Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas and Hazrat Abd bin Zama radiyallahu anhum. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, he is the son of my brother Utbah bin Abi Waqas. My brother advised me that that was his son. You may notice his resemblance to Utbah. Then Hazrat Abd bin Zama radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, he is my brother. My father's slave girl gave him birth on my father's bedding. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam saw that he bore a close resemblance to Utbah bin Abi Waqas. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then said, O Abd, it is your brother. A baby belongs to him on whose bedding he takes his birth, whereas a stone is for the adulterer. O Sauda, Zama's daughter, observe veil from him. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, that boy never saw Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3598.